This is Dr. Angela Massey with Elevate Business Development Group. I read a survey that says that 65% of employees want a flexible work schedule working in a hybrid environment. And that's what we're talking about, a hybrid workforce. What can you do to implement and make it successful? Here's my tip for you. Think about flexibility. Let's say you have an employee named Janet. You can allow Janet to come to work in the office a couple of days a week and to work from home a couple of days a week. Janet may have challenges and family issues that she has to deal with. And let's face it, we are past the don't mix business with pleasure point in our work environments now because of us having to work from home and understanding as we dealt with this virus that it could be done. So now Janet is merging things. And for you to have an engaged employee, you want to give her an opportunity to be with other people in the office. You want to give her an opportunity to share the vision, the mission, the values of your organization. Research suggests that engaged employees are more productive, engaged employees are more creative, they bring better solutions to the table, they bring solutions and not problems to the table. So think about flexibility when it comes to your hybrid team. This is Dr. Angela, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video presented by Elevate Business Development Group. If you like what you've heard or you want to learn more, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll get updates for each of our video releases to help empower your workforce. See you on the next video.